Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and in this video today I will be teaching you guys how to do the transitions from your footwork up to the floor rocks, or you can even do this back to the footwork. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. For these transitions, you can start from various ways. The first one is the squatting like this. The second one is the normal hook, or the third one you can do it from the upper hook. Alright, whichever you feel like it. I'm going to start from the upper hook. Now I'm going to place my left hand on the ground. I'm going to hook my right leg onto the top of my left leg like this. From these upper hook positions, I'm going to swing my right leg out. So I'm going to swing not just up but also out and a bit to the right side. Alright, so I'm going to build that momentum. From there, at the same time, I'm going to use my right hand to hold all my body weight up. Again, first step, hook. Second is going to swing your right leg out and up, and then use your right hand to hold yourself up. Now the next step is going to place your right leg, right foot on the ground, and then now this time you're going to put your left hand on the ground as well. So now your both hands are on the ground. First step. Second step, now place your left hand on the ground, so both hands now are on the ground, and look closely on my right leg. My right foot is going to keep turning, so that now I'm going to bring my right hand up, use my left leg, and then sliding inward. Now we are in this position here, that means we already finished the transitions. Now you can do a few things from here. You can either put all your body weight downward, alright, and then continue to floor rocks, or you can bring your butt up. From here, you're going to continue to another footwork like I said earlier. Alright, so there are two choices you can make, either going back to the footwork or you're going to the floor rocks from that transitions. I'm going to show you guys two examples. The first one is from the transitions to the floor rocks, and the second one is the transitions to the footwork. There we go guys, the slide transitions. Hope you enjoy it, hope you like it. If you have any question regarding this move, let me know in the comment section below. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next time.